Hello, welcome to a bonus lesson in the Spreadsheet Tune-Up mini course, which is basically just a resource. It's the free Excel Power Up Method cheat sheet where you can improve any spreadsheet. This has way more than just the 5 tips in the Spreadsheet Tune-Up. And it's organized according to the Excel Power Up method, which is my signature method for upgrading any spreadsheet. So we've got a little introduction, which very briefly summarizes all that the Excel Power Up method is. Then there's data organization, and you can see this is tip number 1, Excel tables. And data organization is huge because this is where we're going to get all of the data in from everywhere that it could possibly be. So Power Query is a great tool for that. And this cheat sheet just has the very first things you need to do to get information from Power Query. Also some functions that you can use to restructure the data. Then the next step is data cleaning. And this involves maybe setting up a repeatable process, transforming the data in any way. You can also use any of this text to clean up data. Then the next step is data analysis, and I highly recommend the quick analysis tool, at least trying it out, because you may get something that you thought you had to build from scratch. And if you really do want to build from scratch, you can use some of these functions or even pivot tables. And this is a graphic which I worked really hard on to hopefully show you how you can edit the field list to go here into the pivot tables. And then the next step is data reporting, which is basically just how to build a chart and what are the most important buttons and things you need to look at when you're building a chart. The last step of the Excel Power Up method is user features. We are using drop-down menus and checkboxes to really enhance how a user would use your spreadsheet. A user could be yourself or anybody that you share the spreadsheet with. So that's a quick rundown of the Excel Power Up Method cheat sheet. You should be able to download this as a PDF in the description box below, and that will give you something to quickly see all of these great tools that Excel has to have better data, better insights, and a more organized spreadsheet. Thank you so much.